Good morning. I am here at work again. In Saskatchewan, this is now the second week of school, but really only the second day of all three of my kids headed to school. So it's really good to be back at the office and more on a full time basis and back to something normal. So, with that comes goals of connecting more with you guys and creating a whole debt free revolution. And so I encourage you to follow our page because we are hoping to be posting daily just tips and tricks and things we can do as parents, as working parents, people who are trying to do the best for ourselves and our finances to get out of debt and stay out of debt and to just create a revolution of debt freedom in Canada. So join us here, and hopefully daily you'll be seeing either mine or Greg's face, and we will have all kinds of things for you. Talk to you soon.